Hey everybody, this is the Worx Air Turbine 340 CFM 90 mile an hour blower. We got about an inch of snow last night, maybe a half an inch of powder. Rather than break out the shovel, I take out this blower and see how it does. As you can see, the 20-volt turbine Worx blower did a great job getting all the snow off the deck. What's really nice is, as you can see, it got in and around a lot of plants. I didn't have to move those. That's the back-breaking work I was talking about. Shoveling an inch of snow is no big deal. Got under the table, no problem. I didn't have to move any of that stuff. And I can also blow the snow off of my grill cover, my chair cover, you know, where before with a shovel I couldn't do that. The other cool thing is, this has the 2-speed control, so you can go low or high to really make sure you're going to get all the snow off. So as a leaf blower, it works well. As a snow blower, it works equally as well.